This is the world's worst egg.
No, it's good.
The best egg.
And the name is Balot?
Yes, Balot. You just sip the...
Sip it?
Yeah, like this.
And you next?
Like that. You should do it. We have salt here and vinegar.
It just tastes like delicious embryo. Like
Yes, it's delicious.
pus and guts
Like
and all
that,
things good.
and then...
Oh, a little bit of vinegar.
I can't do it.
No, you have to do it.
Wait, sir. I will join you. You can do it. You're a guy, so you can do
Yeah,
it.
you're a guy, man. Mate, are you man or a mouse?
Let's go.
How old is your one?
Sir?
How many days old?
I think it's...
1 day, sir.
Eight.
Do you mind if I film a little bit
How old is
closer?
this one? Same.
Same.
Oh,
Cheers,
delicious.
cheers,
It looks so
cheers.
delicious.
Okay, let's do it, sir.
Did you put in vinegar?
The whole thing's in it. The whole.
Salt. Do it.
You got it, you got it, you got
You
it.
should eat it.
You got it.
Whole.
Come on, Jack. Come on, Jack. Come on, Jack.
Promise.
Go on, look at it.
Promise, sir.
Chew.
No, you can do it.
Yeah, you got it hard bit.
I did it.
Oh, no, you cheat.
Throw it away.
You cheat.
Oh,
You can do it, sir. You can do it. You want vinegar? You can do it, sir.
But it's someone.
You can do it.
Just do it, man.
You can do it, sir.
You're nearly
You
there.
can swallow it. You can do it.
But you chucked a bit away, so it doesn't count.
it doesn't
You
count.
can do it, sir.
No.
There's a half bit in it. You got to chew
Tastes
through.
best
good.
part, man. It's the
Yes.
best part, isn't it?
Yes, it tastes good.
Jack done it. You wanted a piece of chicken, you got a fucking chicken.
Yeah.
Just talking.
Duck, sir. You can do. No, you can do it. You can swallow it.
Just
You
swallow
can.
it. Swallow it.
You
Just
should try it. You
swallow
should try it.
No.
No! Pathetic.
I did it. You want water, sir?
Do you want a cigarette?
I saw a little
You got a
piece in
duck,
your eye,
Jack.
sir.
Oh, Jack, you got a duck. You did get a
I'm
chicken.
gonna try, sir.
It's game over.
We paid fucking 20 pesos for that, didn't we?
We did. 15. It's 15 pesos each.
Oh, no.
I paid 20.
Well, at least you enjoyed
I
it.
paid 20 for something I didn't want. I'm not going to feel bad about it.
Jack.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You should try it. You should swallow it next time. Okay?
Swallow the whole load.